Meaning of heartlessness.
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 Heartlessness. Heartlessness refers to the state of lacking compassion or empathy towards others, often resulting in callous or cruel behavior. This term can describe individuals who are indifferent to the feelings and suffering of others, and may act selfishly or maliciously without regard for the consequences of their actions. People who exhibit heartlessness may struggle to form meaningful relationships and experience difficulty connecting with others on an emotional level. Ultimately, heartlessness can lead to a sense of detachment from humanity and a lack of personal fulfillment or happiness.